Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the Pixie Extreme Mini Tripod from Manfrotto. Okay folks, so this tripod has been out for a while, but this particular one, the Extreme version, comes with a tripod adapter for the GoPro. As you can see here in the picture, there is a GoPro mounted on the top, and if we just spin the packaging around, we can see the different uses that this can be used. So you can use it as a form of selfie stick of sorts, or a hand stabilizer. And there's some instructions there how to mount the GoPro adapter, and we'll come to the ball head in a moment, but it's locked and then you can press the button in and release that. So we'll have a look. This will support GoPro. The actual tripod on its own will support smaller compact digital cameras and DSLRs with standard lenses and standard cameras. Anything with a large lens or a really large full body DSLR, this may struggle with. Okay, so without further ado, let's open it up and have a look. Now, I really hate these blister packages normally, but there is a little finger hole there where we can get in and hopefully open up the packaging. Okay, so that didn't really go to plan. Let's get that out of the way. Okay, so inside we have some paperwork within the packaging. So there's just some other Manfrotto products there. Yep, so that's just all wrapped around a piece of card. So that's just all the information and everything else. So we don't need that. It's not rocket science. Okay, so first up we'll have a quick look at the GoPro adapter. So standard GoPro fitting there, as you can see. And on the bottom we have the standard 1/4 inch 20 thread. And then coming over to the tripod itself, that has a nice weight to it, not too heavy, but it feels sturdy due to the weight. The legs just fold out like so. And that gives a nice, good, solid base there. On the bottom of each foot, there is a rubber pad. So that will give you some grip if you're using this on a tabletop. And then what we'll do now is we'll just screw this onto the top. My only slight gripe about this product is that it doesn't come with the thumb screw for a GoPro. So you have to use one that you already have. So let's just slot the GoPro into the grooves and fit the thumb screw. There we go, that's really, really solid. Yep, that's not going anywhere. So, as well as using the actual thumb screw to do your usual tilt, like so, we can also use the ball head. So what we do here is we press this button in, and that releases the ball head. Then you can get it to the angle that you desire, then just release. And that feels quite strong. There's no way that's really going to move without pressing the button in. And that's pretty much it. There's not much more else to say about this product, apart from it does exactly what it's supposed to do. And with Manfrotto, you get the good standard of product that they always supply. Okay then, so if you do wish to purchase one of these, I'll do a link in the description below for just the Pixie on its own. There are a few different colours if you buy it on its own, or I'll do the Pixie Extreme as well. And that obviously comes with the GoPro attachment. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.